Does your laptop, PC support the upcoming Windows 11? Well, let's find that in this tutorial. If you are new to Footprints, and haven't yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe for more similar videos. I'm using a Dell laptop having i3 6th generation processor. I have also upgraded my RAM from 4GB to 16GB, and added an 480GB SSD. Let's see if my laptop supports the upcoming Windows 11. Go to your search engine, and search for Microsoft. Your first result will be the official website of Microsoft. Click on the link. The home page of the website features an introduction to Windows 11. Click on Learn More. You will land on a page featuring all the features of the upcoming Windows 11. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see about the minimum system requirements. Above that, you will see an option to check for compatibility for your laptop, PC. Click on Download App. The links for this page and for this app are provided in the description below. The application will download. Open the application by double-clicking on it. Select Install by confirming that you agree to the terms. It might take some time, depending on how good your PC is. Once installed, click on Finish, and open the app. You will see for an option to check now. This shows whether your device is compatible or not. My laptop is not compatible for Windows 11, as my processor doesn't support it. If your device is compatible, post your device specifications in the comments section. If not compatible, tell us the problem you face. When you click on Learn More, you will be directed to the earlier page. And you can see some of the frequently asked questions. As of now, Microsoft will extend its support to Windows 10 until 14th of October, 2025. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to Footprints for more videos.